Hi guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to do the rear brakes on this 2013 Lincoln MKX. Alright guys, take off the wheel, and we're going to start by taking off this caliper. In order to do that, we're going to take off this 13mm, and this one you need an open wrench to do this one, okay? Now you can take off the caliper. Take a look at that. There you go. You want to hang it someplace, I don't know where, but don't let it hang by the brake line. Let me get you something so we can hang it there. Alright guys, next we got to remove this bracket. In order to do that, we got to remove the 15mm there and this one over here. The pads,
which were pretty shot, rested in place.
Next we got to remove this screw right there with a T40. Looks like a little star like that. When you're putting those back on, I always leave them off. You don't really need them, but there you go. If you're gonna put them back on, put some anti-seize on them. All right, now the rotor comes off. Now have the bank. Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna compress this piston, but in order to do that, you can't just compress them. You need to twist them and compress at the same time. And that's why you have this tool to do it. This is the name of the tool in case you're wondering. All right, guys, this is the old rotor. This is a new one. That's the part number. And we're gonna spray these and clean them up a little bit with some brake cleaner, okay? Because this comes with a coating from the factory. You need to get that off.
Just wipe the oil off and good to go.
All right, make sure you match the hole where the screw is supposed to go if you're gonna put the screw back. He's just putting a little anti-seize on that screw. Right, remove the clips, and we're gonna wire brush that where the hardware goes a little bit. Take out the pins, clean them up, and grease them. Do one at a time, because sometimes one of them has like the little rubber piece. You don't want to interchange them. And they get some grease. All right, this is the grease we're using, a silicone base, and that's what you want to use when you're coming in contact with rubber. So he's got these rubber things. put a little, but not too much. All right, guys, these are the brake pads. That's the part number, and they come with new hardware. You have let's just put in a little grease where the pads are gonna be sliding. Throw your bracket on. All right, guys, put the wheel back on and repeat the process on the other side. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.